Okay, I'm audible, right? Okay. So topic is like we are going to share like IT leads, right? So like we are getting a lot of leads from the groups, right? So it's scattered. Some leads are there in group one, some leads are there in group two. So here our main topic is like whatever the leads we have, we are going to put it in one show, and it will be easy for you instead of going throughout the day like what all leads you have got. At one shot only you will get all the leads, right? And on top of it, like the USA leads what we have and whatever leads are coming from all the group members, we are going to share here. Okay. Hi Vaisak. So let me share the lead. Let me start with the number one. Okay. So here till yesterday we have done like Washif, which is like lead number 11. From today we are going to continue with lead number 12. Okay. So the lead number 12 is like the company name is like Get It Quick. So they are looking for 30 years of experience in .NET MVC. Like they are looking for somebody freelancer. So this is like lead number 12. Okay. So lead number 12 is like they are looking for somebody with 3 to 4 years of experience in .NET MVC. Freelancer is needed. Okay. Only freelancers can contact them. Like a company is not needed there. Okay. So the next one is like lead number 13. It is from Well Info Web Private Limited. So they are looking for a full-time freelancer. They are looking for a full-time freelancer, a small agency. They are looking for PHP developer who has 4 to 6 years of experience. Contract will be of like 6 months. Budget is like near about 90,000. Okay. Required skills are like PHP, Laravel, MySQL, Angular or React.js. Okay. So that is like lead number 13. So the next lead is like lead number 14. So lead number 14 is like they are looking for blockchain developer. His name is Samir. Lead number 14 is blockchain developer. Okay. Sure. So lead number 14 is blockchain developer, right? And his name is Samir. So what I want to say is that whenever I'm saying like lead number 14 or lead number 13, what I want you guys to do is like if you suppose you need that lead, you can comment here. You can comment like I am looking for the lead number 13, I am looking for the lead number 12. So what will happen from our side, Amit will be sharing those leads directly to you, right? So this thing I will be repeating once again, like here whenever I'm saying a particular lead, I will be telling the lead number also. So with the lead number, I will be talking about like is it PHP work or not. So PHP or Laravel, so I will be telling that. So what you need to do if you are looking for the lead number 13, then you need to comment here that I need the lead number 13. So what will happen from our side? Associate name is like Amit. He will be sending you in inbox the lead details. Okay. Hi Vaisakh. Okay, Shreyaji, I've switched off the music actually. So the next one is like lead number 15. So lead number 15 is by Mohammed Yasin. So he used to work with us earlier. So yeah, so Yasin's requirement is like somebody from Hyderabad. They need a full time. Okay, in number one is like a PHP Laravel requirement, 20,000 per month. Experience must be 1 to 2 years. And the second requirement is like visual designer, again 20,000 per month. Experience minimum required is 3 years. This is only for the Indians. Like from outside, if somebody is also watching this video, so like you must not apply for it because it's written clearly that only for Indians. And next one is like that is number 15. Okay, number 15 is like they're looking for PHP, Laravel, and visual designer, 20,000 per month. The next one is like lead number 16. Lead number 16 from Thixpro Technologies. So they are looking for like Laravel and Coordinator again. So today I can see there are a lot of Laravel requirement. So lead number 16 is again they are looking for Laravel developer and Coordinator also, minimum 2 years of experience, 2 to 4 years of experience, and they are looking for it urgently. Okay. The next one, so that is like lead number 16. The next one is lead number 17. Okay. So the lead number 17 is from Himanshu Tiwari. So they are looking for somebody in urgent for website development in ASP.NET C#, right? And minimum they must give 5 to 6 hours daily. Experience needed is like near about 2 to 3 years, and salary will be like 20,000 per month. Okay, and this is the monthly basis. Monthly basis is like 20,000 per month. Okay, and they are looking for the resume. So whomsoever is applying for the 17, so you will be getting the email ID also. So you need to send them your resume. So the next lead is lead number 18. Lead number 18 is by Alain Varghese. So Alain Varghese is saying like he is looking for many profiles, it seems like below profiles. Number position is like full stack developer. Experience required is like 3 years minimum. JavaScript such as React.js. Package is up to 15 lakhs. Next position for the same guy, like Alain Varghese, lead number 18, is like they are looking for somebody in UI UX design, and experience must be like 2 years, okay, 2 years plus, and package will be like near about 7 to 10 lakhs, okay, and location is Hyderabad, and it is strictly work from office, okay. So here I want to tell you again, I'm telling the lead number and then I'm sharing the lead details, right? So if you are looking for a particular lead, for an example, lead number 17 or lead number 18, you can write down in the comment that I need the lead number 17, I need the lead number 18, right? And lead number 18. So what will happen from our side, Amit will be sending you the leads directly in your inbox, right? So the next lead is like lead number 19, and lead number 19 is like they're looking for a WordPress developer who can make e-commerce website, right? So WordPress like something like WooCommerce, I guess. So they're looking for somebody who can make WordPress e-commerce, right? So that is lead number 19, right? Next lead is like lead number 20, right? Lead number 20 is by Nidhin. They're looking for some senior React.js for 3 months. Senior React.js for 3 months contract, and candidate must have excellent communication skills. Okay, so that is Nidhin, right? Then the next one is like number 21. Next one. So 21 is again Mohammed Yasin. So they are looking for full-time employee in Flutter, and minimum experience required is like 1 to 2 years. Location is like remote, or again it's only for Indians, right? So that is like lead number 21. They're looking for Flutter. So next lead is like lead number 22. So lead number 22 is like by Amar Kota, and he's looking for OutSystem developer having 2 years of experience minimum, and required skills are like HTML, CSS, C Sharp, and JS. And job type is like full time, it can be contract also, like renewable. Salary will be depending on the interview, so it can be like less or high, so you need to talk to them. Yeah. Hi Vesak, hi Hafiz. Yeah, so the next lead is like number 23. It is by Mani Raj Mittal. So Mani Raj Mittal is looking for some SEO experts. Okay, that is like lead number 23. Mani Raj Mittal is looking for SEO experts. Number 24 is by Thixpro again, Thixpro Technologies. So they are looking for full-time PHP developer with Laravel, right? Laravel MVC. Next lead is number 25. Number 25 is like by Ayush. So he is looking for React.js, Node.js development person, and with MySQL. And from India it's required, and Kolkata is preferred. So that is lead number 25. So I'm saying again, like suppose if you are looking for lead number 2 or lead number 5 or lead number 25, you can comment below like I need lead number 25. From our side, Amit will be sharing you the lead, right? And next lead is like lead number 26. So here they are looking for Node.js, React.js developer in Noida, and need 2 developers in Noida, which is like in-house, okay, in-house, and PHP and Laravel and Codeigniter, minimum 2 years experience required. So that is from lead number 26. Like they are looking for Node.js developer, they are looking for Codeigniter developer and Laravel. Next one is like lead number 27. Lead number 27 is by Twinkle Bhutani. and they are looking for like Laravel, Vue.js full time. So full time freelancers. They are not looking for individual person. They are looking for full time freelancers. So suppose if you want to apply for this lead, you can comment that I need lead number 27. So lead number 27 again is by Twinkle Bhutani for looking for Laravel and Vue.js full time freelancers. Okay. So next lead is like number 28. It's again by Mohammed Yasin. So they are looking for PHP Laravel developer or like full time. Minimum experience required is like 2 years and applicable only for Indians, right? So that is like lead number 28. So if you need lead number 28, you can comment below that I need lead number 28. And next one is like lead number 29 from Gupta Consultancy, I guess. So Gupta is, it's mentioned Gupta only here. So from Gupta. So they are looking for React.js developer, and its requirement is urgent. So they are looking for React.js developer. So if you are looking for this React.js development lead, then you can comment below like 29, right? So we will be sharing the 29. And next one is like number 30. Number 30 is like Jobingo HR Solutions. So they are looking for full-time digital marketer, but it's again location oriented. They are looking at Jaipur location. So they are looking for some full-time digital marketer, somebody who is good with SEO, PPC, right? Next lead is number 31. So they are looking for a MERN stack developer, right? So number 31 is MERN stack developer. So if you have MERN stack developer, you can comment below 31. So the lead will be shared by Amit. Next lead is lead number 32, right? So lead number 32 is like by Aniket Das, and they are looking for React.js developer. Minimum experience required is like 2 to 3 years, right? So if I'm being too fast, like you can let me know, like I can again repeat some of the leads. If you're telling me that I need to know about lead number 29 or 28, I can repeat that. Not an issue. So today we have like near about till 71. Okay. Yeah. So the next lead is like 33. Now lead number 33. So lead number 33 is like Dipanshu Roy. Lead number 19. So Vaisak is interested in lead number 19. So Amit, please share that lead, and once it's shared, please reply in the comment, in that particular comment reply. Okay, don't comment directly. Okay, in that particular comment, like a reply that it has been delivered or shared in your inbox. Okay. Pradiksha, same to you. If a lead we are giving, then we will have to reply in that particular comment. Okay. Not directly, not commenting directly. Like we need to reply the comment. Yeah. So the next lead is like lead number 34. So it's from Venkatesh Ponraj, and they are looking for some PHP developer, or must be Tamil. So need Tamil PHP developer. Okay. So lead number 35 is like they're looking for .NET developer for a software solution company in Trivandrum. So minimum 2 to 3 years experience is required, and must be efficient. Codes must be efficiently done. Minimum must be done is like BTech, BE, BCA, BSc, right? And required skills are .NET, C#, MVC, AngularJS, SQL Server, REST, Web API, JavaScript, and jQuery. So that is lead number 35, right? Lead number 35, they're looking somebody with .NET, C#, MVC, AngularJS, SQL Server. Okay, so that is lead number 35. So next lead is like lead number 36. Lead number 36 is from Jay, and they're looking for Java developer with minimum 4 to 5 years of experience. And the required they're looking on urgent basis, and the minimum is like contract is of 6 months. Salary is of 80,000 to 1 lakh. Amit, see, if you are using laptop, right? you will be able to particular, suppose he's mentioning here, right, like lead number 19. So you can reply on that comment instead of commenting directly. You can reply on the comment that okay, the lead has been shared. Else it's very difficult to track, like it will come one by one comment. So better to like reply in the comment. Okay. So where was I? I was in lead number. Freelancer, no, J, right. So I was in lead number 36. So I was in lead number 36, J. So they are looking for Java developer, minimum 4 to 5 years of experience, and they are looking on urgent basis. Salary is 80,000 to 1 lakh. Next lead is like lead number 37, Harishankar. I need freelancer BD. So if anybody is here, please DM your resume. So he's looking for business development enhancer, right? Or executive, sorry, we call it as enhancer. So yeah, executive. So the next one is like lead number 38. So they are looking Rudham Sharma. So they are looking for full stack developer. So lead number 38. So if you're looking for, if you have full stack developer, you can comment here that I need lead number 38. Okay. So the next lead is like lead number 39 from Rashmi. So they are looking for WordPress developer, right? And it's for a very small task. So that is lead number 39, WordPress developer, small task. Okay. Next lead is lead number 40 from Mr. Abur. So they are from Fusion Tech Lab, and vacancy for Ionic developer. So they're looking for Ionic developer. Position is full time, and candidate must be strong in Ionic framework, AngularJS, and must have knowledge in capacitor and advantage. Okay. Right. So the next lead is like lead number 41. The name is like Vansh Prajapati. So they're looking for app developers. So I don't know exactly whether it's Android or iOS, but they have mentioned they're looking for app developer. So the next lead is lead number 42. So they are looking for React Native developer. So lead number 42 is like React Native developer. So if you have any React Native developer, you can comment here that I want the lead number 42, and Amit shall give you the lead. Okay. So next lead is like lead number 43. So from Mohammed Yasin, and like they're looking for freelancers and companies who are ready to outsource their employees on contractual basis. So basically they give contracts and they take contracts, right? Yeah. So that is like lead number 43. So they are like they can give you contracts as well as they take contracts, right? So that is like IT contracts only. So next one is like lead number 44. So they are looking for Android mobile app. So they are looking for one Android mobile application, right? So the next lead is like lead number 45 by EV Digitech. They are looking for graphic design and also to make in Figma and Adobe XD, right? So they are looking for a graphic design to make in Figma and Adobe XD. And they are looking for resume over the mail. So if you are taking this lead, you will be getting their number as well as their email ID. So the next lead is like lead number 46 from Prozer Digital Solutions. So we would require iOS developer. So they are looking for iOS developer in contractual basis. Okay, and total year of experience must be within 3 to 4 years, and someone with Swift minimum 2+ years, and must be strong with technical skills, right? And next one is like now lead number 47 from Raj Kamal. So they are looking for some Angular developer on a urgent basis, right? And that is like lead number 47. So for an example, if you have like Angular developer, so you can comment below that you are looking for lead number 48. Sorry, you're looking for lead number 47. So lead number 47 is like looking for Angular developer on an urgent basis. Next lead is like lead number 48 from Digital Sanstha. So they are looking for some freelancer PHP developer. So if you have PHP developer, you can comment below like 48. Next lead is like lead number 49 from Hitayashini Mishra. So they are looking for Flutter developer. So any Flutter developer who can work on data logger device. So individual developer can ping me. So they're looking for individual developer. Next lead is like, okay. So next lead is from Shikha Tripathi, lead number 50. So they are looking for somebody in Tableau development with minimum 6 years of 6 years of experience. So somebody who is having Tableau experience with minimum 6 years can comment below 50. So 50 is the lead number. Next lead is like lead number 51 from Gupta, and they're looking for React.js developer. Minimum experience is like 2 to 3 years of experience, right? So Gupta is like they are looking for React.js developer with minimum 2 to 3 years of experience. So that is lead number 51. So if you're looking for like if you have somebody in React.js, please comment 51 below, right? Next lead is like lead number 52 from Saujanya Venkatesh. So Saujanya Venkatesh, they're looking for a full-time developer in Flutter. So if you have Flutter developers, you can apply for this lead number 52. So they're looking for Flutter. Amit, please give the lead to Debasmith Majumdar. He's looking for 51. So the next lead is like lead number 53. Lead number 53 is from Impro Digitals. So they are looking for React developers. So experience in developing and designing minimum 3 live projects. So must have done 3 live projects before, and must have minimum 1.5 years of experience in developing websites, right? So that is like experience in developing and 3 projects, minimum experience developing. So another is like the Flutter developer. One is like React developer. They need the same 50 number 53 Impro Digitals. They need like React developer. The second one is like Flutter developer. Again, same thing. Minimum 1.5 years of experience, right? And experience in integrating RESTful APIs, right? And must be good with debugging, right? So that is lead number 53. Okay. Next one is like lead number 54. So lead number 54 is like from Quindam, and they are looking for React.js candidate wanted for Chennai, and salary is like 6.5 lakhs to 7.5 lakhs. Experience required is like minimum 2 years, right? So that is lead number 54. So if you have a candidate who is having minimum 2 years of experience, so minimum 2 years of experience, then you can apply for this lead number is 54, right? So let me give a break. So there are still like near about 10 more leads are there. Let me give a small break, and till that time, like let me talk to my team a bit. So yeah, Amit, please give the lead to Rajendra. So he's looking for lead number 19. I'm just coming back in just 2 minutes, right? Yeah. So let us continue then. So I was in like lead number like 55, right? So the lead number 55 is like by Abhishek Bhargava. So he's looking for video editors, especially freelancers, and they must be doing animations and normal editing work. Okay, so that is lead number like 55. Lead number 56 is by AW Avier, AWIEAR, Avier. So they are looking for React Native developer with good communication skills. So that is lead number 56. So for an example, if you have they are looking for two React Native developer. So if you are good with React Native, then you can comment below that you want to look for number 56. So lead number 56, right? So next lead is like lead number 57. They are looking for full stack Java developer, and minimum year of experience is like 5 years, and some for some freelancing work. So they're not looking this for a company, right? And then lead number 58 by Vaishali Kashyap. So they're looking for somebody with WordPress, like who is good with WordPress. So minimum experience they have not mentioned, but they have mentioned that experienced WordPress developer, right? Next lead is by Brijesh. So it's like lead number 59, and they're looking for somebody in full-time ASP.NET, right? And minimum years of experience is 2 to 3 years. Salary is negotiable, and like they need to share their profiles to them. So email ID will be mentioned, I guess. So that is lead number 59. So if you have ASP.NET developer, you can comment below that I need lead number 59. And then the next one is like lead number 60 by Technical Guider. So Technical Guider, they're looking for content writer who can write content on food company, right? And budget is like near about 40 to 50 paisa per word, and they're looking for some 10,000 words, okay? And they're looking for some old work also. So somebody who is good with writing and can blog about food company, then you can actually comment lead number 60. Next lead is like lead number 61, and they're looking for Angular developer. So Angular developer having like near about 3 years of experience, and they're looking to hire them on a monthly basis. And okay, and the next, that is like lead number, that is lead number 61. Next lead is like lead number 62. So lead number 62 is by SK, and they're looking for coordinator or developer, and it's a full-time job and immediate requirement. So that is like lead number 62. So if you have coordinator developer, you can comment below lead 62. Amit, please share the lead with Rajendra Roth. So he's looking for 23, 37 and 39. And reply in the comment only, okay, not directly commenting. Okay. So now next lead is by like Ayush again. So it is like lead number 63, They are looking for somebody in Seattle, Washington, or New York. So duration is like 6 months, and the role must be like React.js development, right? So UI and React.js developer. So minimum is like 5 years of experience, 5 years of non-internship if professional software development experience, 2 years of UI space using, see, too many things at that. Okay, let me read it out. So 2 years experience in UI space using EC, MathScript plus JavaScript frameworks, React plus Redux, experience with CSS and object-oriented JavaScript, NPM, Webpack, and another one is like 2 years of experience in DevOps, familiar with pipeline tools such as Code Commit, Git, Jenkins, and like Code Pipeline, etc. Bachelor's degree in computer science or related field like BCA or MCA, and MS in maths, computer science or related field. Experience is machine learning, meet exceeds Amazon's leadership principles requirements for this role for USA only, right? So it's a very big description. So yeah, so that is lead number 63. So if you, in short, if I say like I can see like it's for React.js development, and it's for USA, and minimum duration is 6 months. So that is something in short I'm saying. So that is lead number 63. Then next lead is like from Rajshekhar Kayan. So lead number 64. So they're looking for some senior iOS developer, work from office. Office is in Kolkata, so work from office must be in Kolkata. And salary, there is no bar, so it is negotiable, right? So that is lead number 64, who is looking for iOS senior developer. Next lead is lead number 65 from Gupta Consultancy, I guess. It's like Gupta is mentioned here, so Gupta Consultancy, I guess. So lead number 65 is like they're looking for Shopify developer on an urgent basis. So urgent and like a contact only developer. Okay. So only developer, individual developer or freelancer can actually contact. They are not looking for any company. So that is like lead number 65. So next lead is like lead number 66. This is by Nihal. So they are looking for some digital marketing intern and must have minimum 6 months of experience. Job location is Chennai, but they can work remotely also. And the salary is based on the skill set, alright? And okay. The next one is like lead number 67. So the lead number 67 is by Master Blessings. They are looking for some blockchain and NFT expert, right? So if you have any blockchain and NFT expert, then you can comment 67 in this comment section below. Next lead is like lead number 68. So they are again looking for a blockchain development, right? And then, so if you have a blockchain developer, you can comment below 67 or 68. Both have a blockchain requirement. So next lead is like lead number 69. Only 3 more leads to go. Okay, then finally it's done. Okay, so next lead is like lead number 69 by Shivangi Das, and looking to hire .NET developers from Delhi office, and they can join on immediate basis. And number one requirement is like 1 to 3 years, which is like junior one, and the senior one is like 3 to 5 years of experience. So 2 candidates are required, right? And they're looking for like a resume. Okay, so you need to share the resume and then you can ping them. Next lead is like lead number 70. It is from Rajesh Kumar. So they are looking for SEO experts. So if you have SEO experts, you can comment below that I need lead number 70. And the last lead is like the lead is 71. Lead number 71 is from Quindom, and they are looking for a Munstack developer. Salary is 6.5 lakhs, and experience is like experience required is 3 to 5 years. So this is the last lead which they are looking for in Munstack, and salary is like 6.5 LPA, and experience required is like 3 to 5 years. So this is the thing, like we will be broadcasting and we will be sending this video in this particular group, and also if you are there in WhatsApp group or in Telegram, so we will be sending the link of this video also there. So obviously you are not going to miss out anything, so you can check it out, and then you can again comment here below. So from our side, Amit will be giving you the particular lead, okay? And another thing is like we will be so we will be like coming broadcast daily. So this is like in this live video we will be sharing the leads, and all the leads will be mentioned there. So no need to go through like our Telegram group, or no need to go through our Facebook group, and then like everything, the leads will be scattered, right? So in this particular video we won't miss out. We will try to like not miss out any of the leads what we are getting in our community. And so, and in just half an hour you can go through all the leads, and that will be easy for you, right? And also like you will be able to apply for the leads faster. For an example, in the live video you are applying for the lead number 23, 37 and 39 for an example. So you will be getting this inquiries and the leads faster than anybody else. Suppose if you are watching it later, what will happen is like by the time maybe somebody has already approached, but that is also fine. Like till the time you're getting the numbers and talking to them, and if you're thinking like your skill sets are better and your offering is better, so you can still like apply later also. And another thing is like it's not about whenever you're getting a lead you might be thinking like, okay, if I've got a lead, I will be closing the deal today itself. No, sometimes it's about making a relationship also. So you can talk to some people. If they are saying that requirement has got closed, you can tell them like, okay sir, I will be in touch, I will be in constant touch. So maybe after 2 months, 3 months, when you're talking to them and the relationship is happening, you might be getting a project from them. So keeping a relationship is very important. So that is what we have decided. Okay, earlier we only used to do texting only, so how about do live videos also, and we can make better relationship with you guys also, right? So let's hope like our leads are going to help you out. And we have seen in our WhatsApp groups lot of deals have closed, and a lot of disputes have also have come. So what we are actually planning is like we are planning to make something like escrow, right? You know the escrow system, right? The client will be giving us the money, and we will be holding the money till you are delivering the project to the client. The money we will be holding that, and then we will be releasing the funds. And initially our plans are gonna be like, I'm not revealing the name right now, but later I will be revealing. Once it's ready, we will be revealing the name of the website, and the service will be absolutely free. Like initially it will be free. We are not going to charge you any money. Like other services generally they charge you like 1%, 2%, 5%, right? So we are not going to charge anything. So this is something like we are coming up very shortly. So for that it will take some time, right? So I hope like this thing was interesting, and we will continue doing this, and also give your feedback like how it's happening, like how we can improve our this particular broadcasting and then networking. So how we can improve that. So we are looking for inputs from your side also. And till then, let's meet tomorrow again, right? And don't forget to subscribe, okay? And we will be sharing the YouTube link also. So in the WhatsApp and the Telegram we will be uploading the same video in YouTube, and we will be sharing the link. So please do subscribe there. So anything you're missing out here, you might go through all the videos there, and you can again contact Mr. Amit. So he will be sharing all the leads there, okay? Thank you. Thanks everyone. Bye bye. Yeah.